Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I want to share a simple but yet powerful tip that will help anybody who is serious about making money online. Now you could actually apply this tip to no matter what it is you're doing online. It doesn't matter if you are into affiliate marketing, network marketing, you're doing eBay, you're starting your own Shopify store, you're doing Fiverr. It doesn't matter, right? Just try this one tip and watch things improve for you. Now this one tip, I actually just stumbled on it and I actually start doing it, and I realized it may seem a little weird to people, but it can be very, very effective. And that is to schedule business meetings once a week with yourself. Right? Schedule business meetings with yourself. Now you might be watching this like, dude, are you serious? Are you serious? What the hell is you talking about? I don't got a business. I don't got no, this ain't no business, man. I'm just doing me. I'm just doing eBay. I'm just doing affiliate marketing. Listen, what I mean by that is set a time, whatever works for you, right? And just set once a week, just like a half hour. Schedule it just like big time executives do, right? Or big time whatever, right? CEOs do it. Set a time. Hey, every Friday at 6 p.m. every Saturday at 9 a.m. right? You need to, whatever your business you're working on, have notes, right? Go over ideas, brainstorm, right? You need to figure out, look at your last week's results, right? Look at the traffic you're getting, make changes, right? Do this, take it serious, and watch how you feel. Watch how you feel after you have a legitimate business meeting with yourself. And if you are working with somebody, you got a partner, eBay partner, or you're doing network marketing, whatever, have a real business meeting. And I mean, have the little subjects of like, last week's stats, right? I like having business meetings with myself to go over everything that I'm currently doing and make little tweaks to my marketing. Me particularly, I like to come up with, brainstorm with different video ideas and subjects and concepts, right? I love doing that. I noticed that when I schedule like business meetings, right? I notice it gives me more clarity. It gives me more of a confidence in what I'm doing. And it adds another serious layer to what I'm doing, right? Because I take everything I do serious, right? I am building online businesses. I am building multiple streams of income, right? So I know I have to have some sort of structure to get to where I want to be. And scheduling out simple, short business meetings is helping me tremendously. And I'm pretty sure it can help you out as well. But remember, this is for serious people. If you really don't care and you just online, just kind of like, whatever, you know what I'm saying? I kind of half-ass with this affiliate stuff, or I sell on eBay once a month, whatever, then this ain't for you. But if you are somebody who's like, yo, I want to hit that $5,000 to $10,000 a month with my business, I want to hit $20,000 a month with my business, you need to try this tip out for yourself. So check your schedule, ask yourself, like, yo, when's a good time that I need to have a regular business meeting where I can reflect on what's going on with me and my business. And once you have this day and time, stick to it religiously. Stick to your business meetings. And if you do that, I'm sure your business is going to improve dramatically.